Hello everyone and welcome back to Life's Wonders. Today we're going to be doing something really fun. We've arranged a game night. It's just for me and my husband. So we're going to be playing chess after a very long time, and I'm hoping to do this like a regular thing. We're doing this after a very long time. Like there was a time when we used to spend every weekend playing games with family, but ever since we've come to Canada, it's that tradition has kind of gone out of the window. So I'm trying to bring it back, and hopefully we are going to enjoy and forget our stressful lives a little bit and have some fun. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are going to keep on uploading many more such videos, and it's going to be loads of fun. I am kind of just preparing everything for the game night. Right now, the chess is ready. It's lying on the table. I have to make some popcorn, and I have to. What else do I have to do? And I have to get some cold drinks to drink and some fun things to do. Now, of course, we are not going to be playing like Gukesh, but we will be playing like with our own rules. and I hope it's going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my husband to come home. He's taken my son for a walk, and I think he's here. Okay, I'm going to talk to you guys later. Okay, so the boys are back, and now we're going to play chess. Everything is ready. Popcorn, we've got lassi,
chicken dinner.
and nothing else. Chalo Neil, start arranging now. Which one will you take, white or black?
What?
You want white or black?
White starts first, so good and new.
मेरे को तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Whatever you
Set it up na first.
Yeah.
Because you become Canadian.
Hey, कुछ भी हाँ. Rubbish.
Like the Samina Faudas.
Arrange now for me also.
Holy है
बाप रे बाप. Learn from me. Hey, what you putting where, man? That is not hatti. That is wajir. I already know who's going to be winning this game. I hope you know the rules.
You have to explain the rules to me.
Draw कैसे होता है पता है ना? अगर लास्ट में सिर्फ तेरा राजा बचा है और मेरा बहुत सारा ये है, and if I keep giving you check, like if you have only king left and if I keep giving you check, I think it's maximum 10 checks that I can give. उसके बाद में गेम ड्रॉ हो जाता है. अभी क्या कर रहा है?
Check both placement also. King is on the left. Real king is on the right.
अरे क्या किया मैंने? किधर गया?
तूने तो ये उल्टा डाला है.
क्या? नहीं वैसे ही होता ना. वो घोड़ा कम सेकंड. Yeah, I have also forgot. I don't know the English names of these people. These people का English name I don't know. I just know हिंदी में इसको हाथी बोलते हैं, घोड़ा, ये ऊँट, ये राजा, ये वजीर और ये सब प्यादा. Okay?
Okay, now tell me the rules.
You don't know the rules?
I know, you tell me. Otherwise you make up your own rules and between.
What rubbish. Okay, so ये जो प्यादा है, you can move it 1 step or 2 steps maximum.
After only first two steps you can move. After only one.
Correct. So first time when you move it, you can move it two steps. After that, one steps only.
But when it has to kill, you have to kill crosswise.
Crossways, and only one box you can move when you have to kill. Then Hatti goes in straight or sideways only,
But it can't jump.
No.
Horse can jump.
Horse can jump, एक दो नड़ीज समझ गया ना.
This मंत्री can only go cross. Diagonally.
Who is मंत्री? अरे वो ऊँट है.
This is called minister.
अरे ऊँट बोलते बाबा उसको हम लोग ऊँट बोलते. अच्छा ओके मिनिस्टर whatever. Yeah. Raja, wazir can go straight, sideways, but only it cannot jump like ghoda.
Yeah. This can go only one
step
anyway.
in all directions. हो गया? And then draw तो I told you no. हाँ. चलो. Game night on.
मचाएंगे.
Let's see who's Gukesh. Close to Gukesh. Check. पहला check दे दिया. Do I get points for these checks that I'm giving you? Yay! डिक्की चिकर आठशे खिडक्या 900 दार. Wait a minute. I thought you were an amazing chess player. That's what you bragged about yourself, and here you are. 2 मिनट में चेक दे दिया. 2 मिनट में. ये शाम मस्तानी. Hi Robin. Robu, come here.
You can only one, no?
No, 2 steps in the beginning. After that, one
Then I
step.
would have moved one. I would have moved two.
We spoke about it. It's on
I
the
said only
video.
the first step you can move.
So first step of each pawn, you can take 2
Each
steps.
one you didn't say.
Rubbish, Neil. Dad is thinking. Check.
Up.
तो तुम्हारा राजा मरेगा या तो हाथी मरेगा। ये अरे डेट आली। ये आपण दोघं जिंकणार आहे, दादाच्या हत्ती मारेंगे। दिमाग चलाओ, दिमाग दिमाग दुकेश वाला दिमाग चलाओ। ना चेक। कितनी बार चेक दिया मैंने, गिना भी है अभी कितना, 3-4 बार तो हो गया रहेगा ना एटलीस्ट।
गेम ओवर हो गया।
आई नो, वेट 1 मिनट। तो गेम ओवर कैसे बोल दिया तुमने? अगर तू वाइट वाले पे जाएगा तो मेरा ऊँट मारेगा। इफ यू कम ऑन द ब्राउन वन, आई मीन इफ यू स्टे वेयरएवर यू आर, मेरा वजीर मारेगा। बट अगर तू तेरा, आई डोंट वांट टू गिव यू आइडियाज, pretty sure
already have
you're
ideas.
going to figure it out, of course.
Yeah, what of it? They have ideas.
And this was the only option you had.
No. I had other options.
मेरे वजीर पे हमला। Why did I not think of this before?
Ready?
वजीर से मैं तेरा हाथी नहीं मार सकती हूँ क्योंकि तेरा ऊँट है। वजीर से मैं तेरा घोड़ा नहीं मार सकती क्योंकि ऊँट है, राजा है, वजीर है। बट वजीर को बचाना तो पड़ेगा ना पाकुंडिया। चलिए तुम आगे। Check. Check. Check it out. One more check. ऐसा कोई लिमिट है क्या कि I can give that many checks and then you're out, you're defeated like.
ऐसा नहीं है।
Nice game, sir. But should I take that difficult decision of moving forward? Should I go back to my gully? If I stay where I am, is there any खतरा? अरे गेला ना तुझा घोडा, घोडा गया ना, घोडा डिक्की चिकी हत्ती गेला, एक घोडा गेला, डिक्की चिकी क्या मारा तुमने मेरा प्यादा? हा मा दुसरा प्यादा पण जाऊ शकतो तुझा, पण मला दुसरीकडून कुठून खतरा आहे काय? नो सर. चेक. चेक. Okay then.
Which one? Kill this? This will go here, right?
I didn't think of it. बाबू पिल्लू एक मिनट, अभी घोड़े से मेरे ऊँट के पीछे आने की साजिश रची जा रही है। अच्छा फगुनवा रुको तुम, Okay, we will come here. अच्छा जी, अन्ना की तमन्ना है कि हीरा से मिल जाए।
मेरा बबलू कभी भाग ही नहीं आया।
आने दे। चाहे मेरी जान जाए, चाहे मेरा दिल जाए। चेक। हम लोग पता है बचपन में जब भी खेलते थे ना, इफ राजा को चेक देने का है and you have like given check and you're assuming that the front person has understood and you forget to say the word check, अरे चेक बोला नहीं हम लोग राजा के से तू खुद ही हार गई। लिख आता मला आयडिया दे काय करू मी इकडे। डॅडा हात धुवून माझ्या वजीरच्या मागे लागलाय, बट यू इज द बिकॉज। थांबा सोनू, एक मिनिट राजा, एक मिनिट। इफ आई किल योर प्यादा, यू कैन किल मी विथ योर प्यादा और योर हाथी और योर ऊंट।
मैं प्यादा भी उसके लिए।
I can't kill, no. That's what I'm trying to say.
Oh, this one is it?
हाँ. Then if I kill your hatti, of course your Raja is there. Then okie doke, don't you know girl, don't you know girl. But I can't even stay where I am. So I have to go back to my gully. Good move, actually. Good move. You just saved yourself. सब झुंड में चलो, सब झुंड में। दिस रिमाइंड यू बुलबुलैया। मुझे बिल्कुल शर्म नहीं है, मुझे डर लग रहा है। सब झुंड में चलो। थांबा, आता मी कोणालाच नाही मारू शकत कारण काय सगळे चिपकून एकदम उभे आहेत एक साथ में. सो आय कांट डू एनिथिंग अबाउट इट. आय कॅन नॉट. बट लेट मी सी. ओके, कैन यू पुट माय घोड़ा ओवर हियर?
घोड़ा हियर.
आले आले वजीर भाऊजी बाहेर आहे.
अभी टाइम आया.
Keep this one step ahead.
This one?
Okay. Can you keep my hatti over there next to the key? Yeah. Okay, I kill your. Hi, Pingy Pingy. Oh shit. तर मस्त मजा चालू होते. चल ॲटलिस्ट एका प्यादाला उडूया आपण. I am going to take away your little babylicious. Forgot to mention that. Check. Papu, you had check. What are you doing? अभी तो गेम ओवर ही था. मैंने मार देना चाहिए था. बताया क्यों मैंने?
नहीं, but check में you have to at least unless and until it is mate, no?
But I told you check, no? Still you.
बोला नहीं. I told you I have check.
But देखा. But I said no. I said later. I forgot to mention check, and then you went back. Actually, you lost. Okay, accept the defeat. This is your chapter 2 renewal. Come back. I'm letting you play. ऐसा कच्चा नींबू है. That's why you don't know how to play till now. Okay? तुम खिलाड़ी के साथ खेल रहे हो. गुकेश पार्ट 2. Wait. Check. फिर से सेकंड टाइम जाते जाते बचा तू. ये बात तो मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी. चेक. पप्पू वो ये निकालना वहाँ से उसका. सो इफ यू किल माय हत्ती चेक.
Ready?
हाँ मूव में हत्ती हो गई. Can you move my hatti up?
Yeah.
नहीं, one step. Check. Oh, हाँ.
Ready?
Check. Checkmate actually. It is checkmate.
सोचा नहीं था.
Checkmate. Dun dun. Da 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 da.
Checkmate तो नहीं है.
Checkmate है.
नहीं.
कैसे? हाँ.
If I move this here.
Correct.
वही है मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं. याद है.
Check.
But this is end game. याद है.
Should I make that final move? And checkmate. Game over. मेरे को लगा था गेम ड्रॉ हो जाएगा मतलब. That's why I was like ड्रॉ में कितने मूव्स होते हैं. Actually मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं जीतूंगी. Yes. What an achievement. I always thought that he's really good at chess. But that was it. What a game. बहुत मजा आया खेलने को. And Robin. Ding, ding. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel because we'll be coming up with more such videos and there's going to be loads of fun.